Hey kids, we're back with balance and weighing. I saw yesterday a lot of you draw pictures of your beam that you balanced. And some of you drew a straight line and you had your fulcrum in the middle. And then you drew your Unifix cubes over here. If you had 3 Unifix cubes on the left side of your beam, you would have had to have 3 Unifix cubes on the right side of the beam in order for it to balance and be straight across. And then some of you just put your fulcrum down and balanced your beam in the right place. If you noticed, you have to move your fulcrum over in order for the beam to balance straight up and down. Let me show you. So this part is further down, so this side is heavier than the other side, and I want you to notice that this side is shorter than the left side. So I need to move my fulcrum over, and then it will balance my beam. Did you notice how I moved my fulcrum this way in order for it to balance? So now the fulcrum is directly in the middle. So I'm going to draw my picture on my paper of my fulcrum being in the middle. Now, this is all what you did yesterday. So today we're going to be on the next page, and we're going to talk about draw the fulcrum to show how you balanced the beam. So you're going to take these pictures and put the exact amount onto your beam of the Unifix cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15. So I'm going to model the first one for you. I'm going to take my 15 Unifix cubes on one side and my 1 Unifix cube on the other side. And notice it's right here at the edge. Okay? I'm going to move this up so you can see it a little better. All right. Then you're going to take your fulcrum and carefully lift up your beam and place your fulcrum under the beam. Now look, I tried to stick it in the middle, but if you'll notice, my fulcrum needs to be moved. It can't stay in the middle. That's not going to work. So I'm going to pick up my beam and move my fulcrum over until I can get it where it balances. So notice I keep scooting my fulcrum over until I get my beam to balance. Now what I'm doing here is creating more weight on this side because the Unifix cubes weigh more. So see, my fulcrum is on this side to give the beam more weight because there's only 1 cube on this side. So you need to finish your book and draw the pictures where you have the fulcrum underneath the beam. So I'm going to put my fulcrum right here. You need to finish it with this one and this one. Make sure your Unifix cubes are the exact same spot they are in the pictures. Good luck.